If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Nana sila?
Wala pa mga babae. Wala pang mga babae.
Hindi na doon ang booking. Sirab pa lang. Hold it. Ikaw sugat Lin. Sugat pa lang.
Asa pang mga babae?
Sugat. Hello, Rob. I'm Jamalyn. Welcome to our community.
Kailan magila ka nag-istorya naman yun. Bindan nyo na daw si Rob.
Diri.
Diri lang takil.
Sige na. Cadence. Welcome to our community.
The girls are coming in. They're coming. When they're,
Karen with
yeah.
his sister.
Her sister and sister.
Wow. They're smiling.
Isi ka tinilang. Ay, mali. Ayaw. Alimot ko. Apoy na. Wala na kayo, magsayaw sila.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Pero man si Simon no, naglingkod. Ilisi. Yay! Kusgi. Kaya kusog. Beng, beng. Pakikuan daw ko. Abay, beng. Kusgi, kusgi daw. Bulyo.
All
This is Michael Jan.
So, good afternoon, everybody!
Wala nag-miss ka, mami.
This is April Joy.
So, ato sa ipag-aulay ang mga bata mo kung mahapat ang kaming na bisita. So, the meantime,
And this is Mark. Mark. Choir. Yes.
Kahit may hapon sa kalang. So, karong hapon, karong doon lagi tayo proper program. Naghatag ang initial na presentation is because for welcoming Rob. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, mga silingan, Miss Arroyo, Moni siya si Robert Garcia, ang ating founder sa Pinoy World Foundation.
Welcome!
And unfortunately, Karen is not with us, but for a while, isundo pa siya karon kay a girl thing. So, di na ito maiwasan na aging nanana. But hopefully makabot siya kay papaunayan sa itong mga bata kay musuloy pa po si Rob. Matuyok kami dito, matanaw siya sa situation, ng mga balay-balay na yung tanawon. And then, of course, para mahinabi ko na ito siya kay mahatag siya ka ng kamay lang ng mga speech para sa, I don't know what is that, but he will give a message pagka unyang magsugod na ang program proper. So, as of this moment, relax lang po sa ang mga dancers na ito, atong choir, and we will have really the proper program. So, this afternoon, salamat sa inyong pagsugat. Salamat kayo, no? And kaya naman kung isa siya ka-overwhelming, no? Hindi kayo siya kaayo na wala siya nag-expect na namin ang reception sa iya. Although, nakikita naman sa mga bata sa video, but kahit itong personal, gusto niya mo nga maka-istorya ka. So, unyang taon, ganyan mag-istorya ka. So far, for this time, gusto rin sa siya, yung course namin sa kadali, and ako niya mo, ang right person dyan yung matudruan si President, si Chairman, si Tia John, o si Ate Eden, atong fourth leader. Nasa isuloy yung mga balay, nasa isuloy yung mga kita sa batas niya saka. Okay. So, kapag lang, magsulat ng program taon-taon, ha? Magsulat sa siya kadali. Okay?
Si Eden pa, wala pa no.
Joy, asa pa din?
Joy.
Ikaw sa mga pagkaon.
Ay, ikaw sa dyan na. Dyan na.
Iwasan mo siya kadali.
Si Justin.
Asa matagian?
Anami, tuloy na sayang. Ginagawa sa'yo.
Ginagawa kanta pag-abot ni Papa.
Mayet, that's Mayet. Mayet Kayaga. And her the one who helped. And this is, kisaling a floor. Grace. Ang Grace. This is Where's Grace?
Ano balik mo? Pwede naman nato last
Asa man na ito ipalusot ni?
Kuya ni Arisa. Pangit na kuya ni Ay. Pangit na. Sorry. I love Betty Stab. Ito no? Huh? I love her. Why?
In English.
Oh, yes.
Ay, mag-una dito mag-shoot.
Ano kay Glapo?
Excuse me.
Ay, mag-una dito mag-shoot na ako.
Apa.
Basketball.
Is 24 hectares.
Oh, wow.
So it's divided into 6 titles. It's only a private property. So this is the basketball court initiative by the youth here in our Purok. So this is these are our youth members here. So they only barangay o they also want to complete cement hall. But it is really devastated. No, this is not the place. That's the place. We just want you to see the situation. And, if you wanted to see the river, but anyway, you already see the river back there. So it is surrounded by the river. It is surrounded. So when the water came, it is flooded here. Just goes through. It will not force to the river. It will overflow the river and wash out all the so that the debris,
It already, like, how many houses were affected? I mean, everybody was affected.
Yeah, everybody is.
everybody's affected.
One of our mason was their house was collapsed at the floor. This Mary Grace, the one who selling the vegetables, and all of them are affected. But the worst is this one, Mary Grace, because their house was collapsed and the store also was out by the people.
But anyway, hinata mo tayo siguro dito.
Oh,
As long as we need the basketball court, and that's the ring, and this is the ring.
Half cemented.
No, she did that. So, dito balik.
Ito, Jana, mag-una ka dito, Jana.
What's out? It's muddy.
Sana mali dati.
Lapok. It's muddy. Dili muddy, muddy.
Nani, ako ko lang.
We will go here and end up with the property that they are selling there. Let's go this way. Asa si Nini Bal?
Sinine, asa sinine?
Hello. Her house.
This is the house of, this is the house of one of our marshals. She's Mayet, Manilin Cariaga. That's her house.
Hello. Magdaan po kami.
Arnolfa, the house of Arisa.
This house is
For sale?
for sale. He's the owner.
He's the owner.
He's the owner, and what's that? So he sell it for 120. 150. 150.
Hey, went up?
Yeah. And it is up and down, and yeah, it is.
That's
just
that one too?
Yeah, up and down. Okay. So we got what we want you to just see. This is Ruben's
One of
house.
our ministers
Great.
What is Erwin? You have up to. The leopard guy.
Okay.
The basketball referee guy. This is Erwin. And the house, we will go inside. It's collapsed. the floor collapsed to the ground inside.
This is the one who is the embalmer, the security guard, the driver, the staff, all the staffs. Yeah. Agad niya.
Oh! Let's walk fast because a lot of lamok will feasting. The lamok will feasting over here. Oh, there's the river.
Because I got this.
Okay, that's the river bank.
Oh, wow.
See? Already. That's candidates for, you know.
It's gonna be candidate for collapse. About to collapse.
But nobody, I think nobody lives there already.
Isa ng balay? Isa ng balay, Marvin? Natabok ka na ni. Natabok na.
Oh, dili na takot to. At least Rob can see the situation, and it's worth looking. Jamaline is
Renting that house.
renting that room there. That's Jamaline's rented room.
Uy, paghinay. Hello.
Oh, watch out your step because it's muddy. The children were asking what is muddy. So I told them it's lapok. It's lapok.
Lapo.
Yeah.
Lapo. Madi. Madi. Lapo.
Dalik lang ko.
Oh, it's already
So madi. Madi. Lapo. It's so madi. Lapo. Madi. Balak. Madi.
Oh,
Oh,
asan tong ate Ruby?
Kanet de.
Oh, it's raining. Look out. Oh, this ate Ruby. Ate Ruby's house. The Marshall here. It's her house.
Welcome, Rob! Here's my house!
It's really collapsed. And this is the house of you've given the materials. That's what you have to arrange now.
Look at the kitchen. Yeah,
Thank you so much. I love you.
Very nice, very nice.
And also the room too.
I love you.
you both
You remember me? You know me?
I love you, Rafi. I love you.
She knows how to read. Yes. See how to before. Sleeping. The one the boy, the baby boy. Give him break.
Okay. Alright. And now this is the property. From here, I think it's 40. That's Jimmy's house.
Ay, anak, ayun lang kasi ay doon, anak.
Sa big lang. Sa big lang. Sa big lang. Ingat.
It's higher, right? Unlike Jerilyn is not yet the flood come out. It never reached
under
new
floor.
floor. No, because they painted already.
This is a higher place of Jerilyn's house. And the flood is until here. Really here?
Kanan. Bukod sa nino, sakto. Picture.
You want me to film inside? It's okay. So you're gonna be inside to Jerilyn's house.
Yeah, that's Jeremy's house. And start
Yes, this is our house.
She's not and that floors, it's higher now. Because of the
Hindi ako daw, te. Tulog lang ka ba dito?
Let's go inside so that you can see the
We can.
Hi everyone. This is Jerilyn's elder, the oldest daughter. And this is also one of her daughter. This is my house.
Wow.
And that's the room. That's the study room.
I've seen this many times. Many times. I love it.
Yeah. This was cemented before. This was cemented before. Yeah. Cemented na siya sa una.
Dili, kahoy.
Yeah. This was not cemented before Pinoy Rock, but when she is already in Pinoy Rock, now it's cemented.
Yes, yeah. Thank you, Ram. Thank you very much. Actually, it's going innovation, but badly. My son going back to the river after that.
Yeah, all the sand, the 2 cubic of her sand
Going to the river. Okay lang.
get back to the river and going to the other place, the place of Ruby. Gets to the marshal.
Ano mo, dala na natin.
Do they like this? Do they like you read those to them? What have you noticed about how they've changed?
Kasi yung na-notice niyo kung saan sila
Since it's
pag-change.
been what,
About
months now?
Sa study and the
changes.
behaviors.
The behavior it gradually changes, like be humble, and then about their studies, the first I teach them very cool, very weak to about their reading. So when gradually when the days we are teaching, alright, yeah, we teach. Okay, then continue virtual teaching them. Totally, this is Isaac, the very Isaac. They know how to read. Isaac, what your teachers told you about how to read. About your reading comprehension.
Are you
Sorry. About sa imuhang English, sa pag-reading sa English sa imuhang maestro sa isulti niya na ikaw
your
daw
teacher in school?
Oh, teacher sa school, sa school.
Sa gingon sa imo ano.
Teacher. Sila lang.
Masado ako mo ba?
Mas out, yeah.
And he's getting brighter.
Smarter.
Brighter in reading.
The teacher in his school, he goes to school, the regular teacher said that now he's getting brighter in reading.
The mommy, sige isulti sa teacher.
Teacher, Now, yeah.
I am so happy.
Because of the Pinoy Rock after school.
Actually, we're struggling now because we are studying more how to teach. Because I forgot how to
No, but that's good. You know, you guys have to learn too. Because you are the, you're the leaders.
Actually, no, when I'm listening to her with the dead tongues, I learned also.
She learned
From Ate Jared with the dead tongues, like,
We're still studying, but actually not perfect to pronounce the.
yeah.
I'm sorry for that.
No, it's okay. No.
It's learning experience. It's a learning journey for us.
You know, I look at it like this. You guys are way above me because you guys speak multiple languages.
Sorry.
One and then maybe a little bit of Spanish. So, you know, for you guys to be able to communicate with me is huge. But it's most important for the little ones to learn English. That's going to be a big change in their,
This your daughter, she knows how to translate the English to the Bisaya language.
Wow, so smart.
That's because of your
Ito, asa to si Isabel? Isabel, kami best in math.
mathematics.
Ay, gana. Miss Twin. I'm studying, I continue to teach them how to history. Okay,
She's smart in face mask, but
That's great. Mathematics is the language of the world.
Language of the world and the science
Yeah,
and
everything.
business and everything. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
very sweet, Tira.
This is the husband of Julie.
a good singer.
My mother.
The
My
one
mother.
who sings. The one who sings
My tita.
and also her
My daughter. Then grandmother. My mother.
that's her mother of Jeremy. Yeah. This is Tremalin, one of the teachers.
So what are we going to do for 2025 to make them better? What are we going to do to make them better?
Okay naman pero it's okay pero
We're gonna add more. It's gonna be congested. Yeah, if we're gonna add more children, it's gonna be congested in this area. So maybe we will make here also.
we will renovate that side, the back. Para sa ito kanang
Lavatory.
Sink. We did sink for the house. And here you can have the sink here in your But anyway, the Pinoy Rock has a lot of plans.
Thank you very
We
much.
have to collaborate, we have to work hard, and also our video we need to improve because that's also the thing that Pinoy Rock can be more helpful in our foundation also.
And we need to make sure that we're keeping track of their grades because people won't donate if they don't,
Keep tracking on their
their
grades.
height and weight.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep track of that. And because, like I say, right now I'm funding everything. So I'm paying for everything. But eventually I'm going to have, with my foundation that I just started, I'm going to have donations and stuff.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that's the future vision of the foundation. So we have to help the children for their grades, monitoring them, so that we can present it to our donors. Okay. So what's Karen said? Where's your eyeglasses? Oy, lunis ako kay tawagan ko ang kanang
Pagkagani si mami ninyo, pagkagani. Nakasikat na to.
Ako, kapo, Kiki.
that number, 126, that was next be on their way.
Ah, this is here. Sige, sige. Pwede lang kami. Tawag sa on. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you for visiting us.
Thank you. Thank you. I love the voice over there. I love you. Is the mother of one of our residents.
Puni dahil nakisa si Gwen.
You always say the same thing.
Inalagod ang electric fan din, ipahato din ang electric fan. Joby, Grace,
Bawol og kanang
Ruby.
Right now, selfie, Jupe.
Electric fan. Di ko ano mo electric fan. Gising mo siya pag-ayo ba?
Hindi mo. Porto dito doon. Tataran, bawang, silbo.
Bisa ni. O pag-yun, gabi ko yung electric fan daw ipagawas. Kabalo ka anak niyo.
Tataran na white.
Anang electric fan daw ipagawas.
Tataran, kutsilyo. O paul nimo. Kana ito po sarap. Abila ang gloves. Nakatusir na sa dala.
Diri. Ganito sagot. Ganito sagot. Abay ka diri.
Ano na yan ba?
Labay out ko. Diyan na.
Diri daw, diri. Oh, ganaman diri yung.
Musiga po na. Di, nalagay na.
Sorry.
Yang emben ka?
Ay gamay.
So basically, cut like half of it. We gotta cut this one off. And then cut this.
Ano yung kita sarap?
So, last time I saw this was a pink.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.